Alright, I tried to record 4, but I guess it's too long. I'm going to try this a lot faster. So, to start this off, it was completely disorganized, and it looked like it was thrown against the wall. I do like these latches, kinda. They feel kind of cheap, but I do like the design of them. I start this off, I originally bought this to build a machining kit. Just a cheap drill. I don't care if it gets too damaged. I did buy it thinking it would fit in here. I did measure and it was perfect dimensions, but I did, on my part, I forgot this latch in here, so it will not fit. That's my fault. As I said in the previous pictures, it came disorganized and destroyed. There is one thing that broke, so this is going to be rattling in there now. I would not recommend pulling it from here because you can break it. I can just feel that coming. And it does not go down all the way, which I don't like. It doesn't fully go down. Also, this lid comes off easily. The sticker came off. I just put it back on. It has cheap adhesive, and I'm not expecting it to last too long. I do like the weight of this drill. There's one thing I don't like that really annoys me, but it's a personal thing. This depresses into the drill. It doesn't stick out, which I don't like. On all my drills, like my Milwaukee's, it sticks out slightly. Black & Decker sticks out slightly. Even this really cheap one that they don't even sell anymore sticks out slightly. I guess it's personal, but also there's stuff rattled in there brand new. So don't have too high hopes, but it just has to last for like deburring and just unscrewing and stuff, but it's not going to go through a lot of heavy labor. I'll give an update in a year or two.
And it does not charge. It stopped charging 2 days ago. This is the original charger. These are the original pieces. I used it a few times in my RV, and it's a really great condition. It just does not charge. And I can try to show you if you want that I don't have a stand for my phone, but I just know that when I plug this in, no lights come on whatsoever. And I've tried different cubes. I've tried to do it the back of the charge with the back of my computer. I've tried all kinds of different. I even used a different cord. Nothing. It just doesn't register with anything, with any cord at all. Yeah, especially with this one. So, yeah, there's my video, and here's my original. Here's my purchase receipt, so you'll get a copy of that as well. Thank you.
So I don't know how to use it. I just found out now. So this is it. This is the thing. I'm gonna just put it right here. Oh jeez. I'm just gonna put it right here. So here you're just gonna turn all the way to release to the right, like this. And then you're just gonna put this right here and turn all the way back to you, like this. That's it. So it's gonna be just tie. I swear, I don't know how to use it before. It took me like 10 minutes to find out, but I hope it helps you. So I just want to like take off. I'm just gonna release. I'm just gonna turn all the way to the right. You can see the lines like release and grill. So that's it.
The drill kit does not have a charging cable. There's the instructions, the box, the drill, the bits, the tie that was on the cable charger, the box. No charging cable. Can I please get that?
Legacy. And we're his.
Love it.
Búscalo y sí.
Yo lo uso y no carga, no coge nada de carga. Lo utilicé la carga que tenía y tal y no, pues no da más.
This is how it came. Oops.